2024 Mercedes-Benz GLC with less than 11,000 miles on the odometer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!